Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Axie Infinity, currently trading above $8. We're having a huge rally in the altcoin market. We've started 2023 on a very bright note. Axie Infinity is up 21% in the first weeks of 2023. It's up more than 30% in the last 1 month. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Axie Infinity US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where Axie Infinity might face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices. We'll also be looking at Axie Infinity performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Axie Infinity market cap, which has pumped to the $902 million region. How high can Axie Infinity market cap get to before the end of this relief rally? Can Axie Infinity market cap get to that $2 billion region before the end of the rally? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With altcoins pumping to higher prices in 2023, altcoins have seen a huge rally to the upside, which is a very huge improvement from the dumped gobbling town we saw in 2022. Even though Axie Infinity is still down 87.7% in the last 1 year, we're seeing some signs of life on a weekly time frame and also on a monthly time frame. Axie Infinity was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run. We saw this altcoin pumping from as low as $0.13 in November 2020. We saw it rallying up to new all-time highs by November 2021. In total, this altcoin went up more than 117,000% in just 366 days. Good times in the bull market, but after the huge pumps we saw in the bull market, we're expecting to see huge dumps in the bear market. And right now, we're done with the first phase of that dump, which has seen Axie Infinity go from as high as $160, dropping to gobbling town to as low as $5.85. We've seen a rally in the altcoin market, and we've seen Axie Infinity start pumping to the upside. But guys, Axie Infinity is still down around 90% from the all-time high we set in 2021. And from where we're currently trading right now, for Axie Infinity to go back to that previous all-time high, we'll have to see this altcoin go up around 1,700%. That's a 17x pump to the upside. But right now, we're just having a relief rally in the altcoin market. Even though we're not expecting Axie Infinity to pump straight to all-time highs in 2023, we expect to see a pump to the upside as we're getting ready for the next bull run. We've gone through the markup phase, we've gone through the distribution phase where smart players were selling to retail investors, and we've seen Axie Infinity go through the markdown phase. We spent majority of 2022 just dumping to gobbling town. So are we seeing a reversal in that? First level you want to pay attention to for Axie Infinity in this relief rally will be the $5.9 level where we bottomed in this bear market. There's always a possibility we'll come back to test that level, but as we continue pumping to higher prices, levels where Axie Infinity might face heavy resistance as we're going to the upside. First, around the $11 region. We saw Axie Infinity try to pump above that $11 region in November 2022, but we got rejected at that level. So I'll not be shocked to see Axie Infinity continue pumping to higher prices, maybe get rejected at that level and attempt again. But if Axie Infinity continue pumping and we see that $11 region not being a hindrance for us going to higher prices, the next level where we should be paying close attention to, where Axie Infinity price might see some heavy rejection, might be around the $20 region. From where we're currently trading right now, Axie Infinity will have to pump an additional 131% for us to get to that $20 region. In the relief rally, we expect to see altcoins pumping to higher prices, but guys, nothing crazy, nothing like new all-time highs. Even though that will be welcomed, let's not forget, we're going to see Axie Infinity pumping to new all-time highs in the next bull run. But for you to partake in that pump, you have to be willing to invest right now deep in the bear market. In the bear market is where millionaires are made. In the bear market is where you get your next 10x, your next 20x, even your next 100x coin. In the bear market is where smart investors are investing. But guys, if you're investing with those smart investors, you don't want to go all in, FOMOing in because you are seeing some green candles. Yes, Axie Infinity might not be pumping like the rest of the altcoins we see in the market. For example, Mana is up 119% in the last 1 month. Solana is up 90%. Aptos is up 110%. We have Lido DAO up more than 111%. So even though Axie Infinity might not be pumping as hard as those other altcoins, you don't want to FOMO into those other altcoins, because if you see them pumping to the upside, yes, they can still dump down to the downside. The bottom might not be in for a lot of these altcoins, even Axie Infinity. So if you're buying some right now in the bear market as you're getting ready for the next bull run, you want to dollar cost average through the process. Because guys, if you go all in when you're buying these altcoins when they're down in Goblin Town, they can easily just continue dumping to Goblin Town, and you won't have capital to buy them when they go cheaper than where you bought them from. But if we continue pumping to higher prices, I expect Axie Infinity to face some heavy resistance at that $44 region. I don't think we'll even pump that high this year, but for us to get to that $44 region in this relief rally, we'll need Axie Infinity to pump an additional 374%. But with altcoins, that can happen very quickly. That can happen in the space of 1 week. We saw Axie Infinity pumping in 2021, going from as low as $2.96. We saw this altcoin rally up to as high as $89, and it did that in just 75 days. So I'll not be shocked to see Axie Infinity pumping to that $44 region. But guys, I believe Axie Infinity will get to that $44 region. But guys, we should not be putting the $44 region as a region where Axie Infinity must get to. If we get to that $44 region, kumbaya. If we don't get there, we'll keep accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. If we take a look at some details about Axie Infinity, in the last 1 year, we've seen it gone from as high as $77.24 to as low as $5.84. Axie Infinity is currently trading above $8.9, ranked 51 on CoinMarketCap. With over 601,000 people having Axie Infinity on their watch list, Axie Infinity has a maximum supply of 270 million tokens. Out of those 270 million tokens, we have more than 100 million of them in circulation. If you want to get some Axie Infinity for yourself in the bear market, as we're all getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on Kraken, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Axie Infinity performance against Bitcoin, yes, we might be having a huge rally in the altcoin market, but we're still seeing Axie Infinity performance against Bitcoin go sideways. We've been seeing it go sideways since October 2022. Guys, I'll not be shocked to see Axie Infinity dumping to Goblin Town once more against Bitcoin by the end of this relief rally. Axie Infinity is still finding support up in the moon, but guys, we're seeing Axie Infinity lose more than 89% of its value against Bitcoin. We're still in the bear market, and if all coins are known to conveniently dump really well against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, I won't be shocked to see Axie Infinity lose around 94% of its value against Bitcoin in this bear market. So we might still see one final dump to the downside, but if you're a long-term investor, that is going to be music to your ears, because you know that you're going to have enough opportunity to get some Axie Infinity in the bear market as you're getting ready for the next bull run. If you also take a look at Axie Infinity performance against Ethereum, we saw it pump really well to the upside in the bull market, which was nice to see. Right now, we're seeing it dump to Goblin Town in the bear market, and we might still see it continue dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market. Why do altcoins dump really well in the bear market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum? Guys, it's because after a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins lose around 80% of their value in 1 year, a lot of people in the market are scared. So after this kind of pump we're seeing to the upside, any small dump in altcoin market will lead people flipping their altcoins for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which might lead to those altcoins dumping to Goblin Town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you take a look at Axie Infinity market cap, we've seen it drop to as low as the $600 million region in this bear market. There's always a possibility we might come lower in this bear market, but right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, we might start facing some heavy resistance when we start getting above the $1 billion region. And if we're locking this relief rally, Axie Infinity might even rally up above $2 billion. But for us to get to that $2 billion region, we'll have to see Axie Infinity rally up more than 116% from where we're currently trading. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Axie Infinity going up in this relief rally? Are you accumulating more, getting ready for the next bull run? Guys, do you believe we'll see Axie Infinity pumping to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7